Good evening to all. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you one more interesting topic. Today's interesting topic is top 10 most richest countries in the world. Before going to tell, I want to tell you one thing is very clear, that how can we simply say a country is the richest country in the world? That is, based on the per capita income of a country, we can say a country is the richest country in the world. What is meant by per capita income of a country? Per capita income measures the average income earned per person in a given area or country in a specified year. Per capita income is calculated by dividing the areas or countries' total income by its total population. In other words, per capita income is equal to total resources of a country divided by total population of a country. Now, if we look at the list of top 10 most richest countries in the world, number 10, Saudi Arabia. After petroleum was discovered in 1938, Saudi Arabia became world's largest producer as well as exporter of oil. Saudi Arabia is the only Arab country to be a part of G20 major economies. Saudi Arabia is also sometimes called as the land of holy mosques. Saudi Arabia has made its place to the world's 10th richest economy with a per capita income of $56,000 US. Number 9, Switzerland. Switzerland is one of the most beautiful European countries. Every one of us would love to see at least once in our lifetime. It is world's 9th richest economy with a per capita income of $56,000 US. Number 8, United States of America. United States of America is the world's largest economy. When we talk about development, United States of America is the first country that comes into our minds. United States of America has a gross domestic product of, that is GDP of 17.914 trillion US dollars. The New York Stock Exchange is one of the largest stock exchange markets for foreign investments. The economy of United States of America is one of the top performing economies as per the studies. Hence, it is 8th richest economy with a per capita income of $57,000 US. Number 7, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates is the second largest economy in the Arab world. It is the second largest exporter of oil. Hence, it is world's 7th richest economy with a per capita income of $68,000 US. Number 6, Norway. Norway has the world's largest foreign fund. Norway is a home to abundant natural resources including petroleum exploration and production. Hence, Norway is the 6th richest economy of the world with a per capita income of $68,000 US. Number 5, Kuwait. Kuwait is one of the richest Arab countries. It is the 4th biggest economy in Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC. Kuwait's currency is dinar. It is the highest valued currency, which makes the country counted as 5th richest country having a per capita income of 72,000 US dollars. Number 4, Brunei. Brunei is famous for the export of crude oil and natural gas. It is the fourth richest country in the world with a per capita income of 80,000 US dollars. Number 3, Singapore. Singapore is one of the richest Asian countries and it is the most open economy in the world. The country earns a huge amount because it is the home for foreign direct investment inflow. It is the third richest country in the world, having a per capita income of 85,000 US dollars. Number 2, Luxembourg. The income of the Luxembourg is largely depends on banking, steel, and industrial sectors. It is the second richest country in the world with a per capita income of 94,000 US dollars. Number 1, Qatar. Qatar is known for its petroleum and liquefied natural gas production. In Qatar, more than 70% of the government's revenue and more than 60% of the GDP of the country are coming from oil. Hence, Qatar is the number 1 richest country in the world with a per capita income of 1,46,000 US dollars. This is about today's interesting topic. Thank you so much for watching. For more interesting updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for being with me. Have a great day.